Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce unhealthy eating with plated easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current eating habits. Keep a food diary for a week to track everything you consume. Identify patterns in your eating behavior. Look for triggers that lead to unhealthy choices, such as stress or boredom. Once you have this awareness, it's time to make a plan. Consider incorporating plated meal kits into your routine. Plated offers a variety of healthy, pre-portioned ingredients. Visit the Plated website to explore meal options that fit your dietary needs. Select recipes that look appealing and are easy to prepare. Order the meal kit that suits your chosen recipes. When your kit arrives, unpack the ingredients and review the recipe cards. Prepare a dedicated space in your kitchen for meal prep. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare your meals. Start with 1 or 2 meals per week to integrate this new habit. Follow the recipe instructions carefully to ensure a balanced meal. As you cook, focus on the process and enjoy the experience. Experiment with different flavors and cooking techniques. Use leftovers for quick lunches or snacks to avoid unhealthy options. Gradually increase the number of meals you prepare with plated. Evaluate your progress at the end of each week. Reflect on how these changes are impacting your overall health and energy levels. Continue to adjust your meal choices based on what you enjoy and what feels right. Stay committed to reducing unhealthy eating by making cooking a fun and rewarding experience. Embrace the journey towards healthier eating habits with plated. Remember, consistency is key to lasting changes in your diet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.